Welcome, welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be doing some brake caliper painting on our Ford F150 STX. Duplicolor high performance caliper paint kit. This is what it comes with. Our caliper cleaner, caliper paint, a little brush, and something to tape your stuff off so you don't make a mess. So we're going to put this stuff over there and every corner. Let's give her the old spray, boys, but do make sure to save enough because we got 4 calipers to do, so don't go crazy with it. Okay, boys, with our calipers sprayed and wiped clean, go ahead and tape off the rotors in the areas you don't want to accidentally paint, in case you have a not so steady hand. So once we tape her off, we'll paint her. Alright, boys, and there's our taped off. So rinse and repeat for all 4. Okay, boys, after we shake and stir our paint, red caliper paint, that's what's going to be going on the calipers. So I'll give you a quick demo on how we paint. Alright, boys, and that's 1 caliper done here on the rear. And you can check out the front. I also got that one knocked out as well. It's looking pretty sick, boys. But you get the idea. Not much to it. Just paint. Watch out for bristles shedding. And you'll be good to go. So that's how we paint the calipers on our Ford F150 STX, or anything with calipers for that matter that you wish to paint. And then, of course, do make sure it is dry before you put your wheels back on and start touching it. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.